Welcome back to Random Things. This is your host, Joseph. Driving in Blue Devil here. My party baby. I just figured I would let y'all hear this baby when I start off. Here we go. Y'all listen to this. Yeah. This fucking bitch ass almost made me get hit by a fucking damn truck. Fucking idiot. Get the fuck out of the way. Yeah. Y'all listen to this bad boy. I just dusted. Black smoked that fucking bitch behind me, buddy. Yeah, boy. So they can't do a damn thing about it. Only get pissed. That's all they can do, is just get pissed, because it is perfectly legal to blow black smoke, because it's a diesel. It's a 7.3 powder stroke, motherfuckers. Past Mr. Home Depot here, with all these guys running in front of me. I might hit one. Everybody saying, that sounds like shit. Or, why does that truck sound like that? Sounds like it got some misfire. It's a diesel. It's up like a diesel. Like that gas hog in front of me there. He got any sound? Not as good as this. Damn. I love my truck. I sure do. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Again, this is another episode of Random Things You Do Not See. Sorry. Not you don't see. Whatever. Random things every day. Y'all have yourself a good one. Hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, share. Subscribe, guys. I need y'all's help. Adios.